Parshat Mikeitz. This shiur is dedicated to the memory of Racheleah bas Rav Chaim Tzvi. This week I wanted to discuss with you Yosef meeting his brothers for the first time since he sold as a slave to Egypt. So let's turn to chapter 42, verse 1. Vayar Yaakov ki yesh shever b'Mitzrayim, and Yaakov saw that there was food in Egypt. Vayomer Yaakov lebanav, and Yaakov said to his sons, Lama titra'u, why should you show yourself? Vayomer, and he said, Hinei shamati ki yesh shever b'Mitzrayim, behold, I have heard that there's food in Egypt. Ridu shama, go down there, v'shavru lanu misham, and buy food there, v'nechya v'lo namut, and we will live, and we will not die. A few questions on these first two verses. First it says Yaakov saw, then it says he heard. Did he see or did he hear? Which one? Second of all, what does it mean when it says Lama titra'u? Why should you show yourselves? How are the brothers showing themselves? And the third thing, why does it use a lashon, a language of ridu, go down, instead of maybe lechu, just go? Let's see what Rashi says in answer to these questions. Verse 1, and Yaakov saw that there was food in Egypt. Umehechan ra'ah, and where did he see? V'lo lo ra'ah ela shama, he didn't see, he heard. Shenemar, as it says, Hinei shamati, behold, I have heard. Umahu vayira, and why then does it say that he saw? Ra'ah v'asaf baklaria shel kodesh, she'adayin yesh lo shever b'Mitzrayim. He saw with some sort of heavenly vision, not true prophecy, but a partial prophecy, that he has some sort of food in Egypt. But it was not a pure prophecy, to let him know explicitly that it's Yosef. So Rashi says, we're told he saw, then he heard. He heard. But why does it say he saw? He saw some sort of vision that let him know that there's food in Egypt. So he did not see a pure vision, because maybe if he would have seen a pure vision, that pure level of prophecy would let him know that Yosef is down in Egypt. He saw like a foggy vision. This foggy revelation let him know, listen, if you need food, you can go down to Egypt. Then he says, Lama titra'u, why should you show yourselves? Al tir'u atzmechem b'fnei b'nei Yishmael u'bnei Esav ki'u atem sve'im. Don't make yourself appear before the children of Yishmael and Esav as if you're satiated, as if you're full and not hungry. At that time, adayin haya lahem tzvua. They still had food. V'li nir'ah pshuto. And to me, I think the pshat is, the basic explanation is, Lama titra'u, why should you show yourselves? Lama yihiyu hakol mistaklim b'chem umatzmihim b'chem she'enetem mevakshim lachem ochel b'terem sheichle ma b'yetzchem. Why should everybody look at you and be shocked that like you're not getting food for each other? So according to Rashi, when Yaakov says, Lama titra'u, he's saying, why are you making yourselves appear like you have food? Maybe everyone else is going to be jealous of you. Maybe they'll attack you for the food. Maybe they're going to take it from you. Therefore, even though they still had food in their house, he's sending the brothers down to get food because he doesn't want to seem different from everyone else. If everyone else is starving, it doesn't look too good if you're not starving, because then maybe they'll come after you. Ramban explains differently. He says, Lama titra'u, why do you make yourselves appear like you have so much food? Yes, we have some food in our house, but we don't have a lot. And if you don't go down soon, we'll starve and we'll die because we have no food left. And other commentators explain that when he said Lama titra'u, he was saying, why are you looking to each other and kind of hoping the other brother is going to go down? Take responsibility and get us food, because otherwise we'll die. But if you get us food, v'nechyeh v'lo namut, we will live and we will not die. Let us continue in verse 3. V'yardu achei Yosef, and the brothers of Yosef went down, 10, l'shbor bar b'Mitzrayim, to buy food in Egypt. V'et Binyamin achi Yosef lo shalach Yaakov et achav, And Benjamin, Yosef's brother, Yaakov did not send with his brothers, Ki Amar, because he said, Pen Yakrenu Ason, lest some sort of tragedy, a disaster, happens to him. Okay, verse 3. And Yosef's brothers went down. Our question here, of course, is why are they described as Yosef's brothers? If Yaakov was sending them, I would think they would be described as Bnei Yaakov, as Yaakov's sons. But that's not what it says here. Let's look at verse 3. Vayardu achei Yosef. And Yosef's brothers went down. V'lo katav Bnei Yaakov. And it doesn't say the sons of Yaakov. Melamed, it teaches us, shehayu mitzchartim b'mechirato. They regretted Yosef's sale. And they decided that they're going to treat him like a brother, treat him nicely. And